Sheesh. Oh man, I still have a cold, so I can't even do a sheesh. I can't do a proper sheesh. Alright, daily startup for y'all. I guess technically it's like a weekly startup because I don't drive this every day. Gotta wait for those beeps to go away. Minty. Hello guys, how's it going? My name is Mark Roden, and today we're gonna send you guys on a POV drive-in of the 350Z, baby. Why? Because I haven't done one of these in a while and you guys seem to like them, and so I decided, why not? And where this driveway is that my Z is parked is on such a good road to like hard drive a car. It's such like a windy road, and so I'm gonna just hard drive the crap out of this road. Keep in mind, I want to put out there before I get into this video, right after I pass this certain area, it's Mexico from there on out. And so unfortunately you guys can't go on the road if you live in America because it's a Mexican road, but it's fun. Also keep in mind guys, never do this at home. I am a trained professional on a closed course, so that's that. But yeah, today all it's gonna be is this road that I'm about to be driving on is extremely like windy and curvy and all that. So I'm gonna hard drive the crap out of it. I'm probably gonna shut up because I'm gonna have to be paying close attention, and that'll be the video. Hope you guys enjoy. I've done a couple of these in the past, but they're not as cool as I wanted to go. So without further ado, that's gonna blind the crap out of me. So let's do that real quick. Without further ado, let's get boogity boogity boogity. Let's go racing. The road's a little bit bumpy though, which is never fun. Big bump. Ah, I hate that bump. So that was the first road. That was the road I was talking about. To be honest with you, I thought it was a lot longer than it was. That was probably only like 2 minutes. But don't worry, we'll go fast on this road now next. My car is more set up for like drifting. Safety's first, baby. Safety first. Alright, now I take a right here and it should lead me out to the middle of Cancun, Mexico. We're stuck behind some guy now, and I don't think there's any passing zones, and even if there was, there's another guy right up there anyway. I wonder how long this video is already. Well, actually, I did want to talk about something anyway, and so I'm actually going to use the rest of this video just to talk about something real quick. If you're only here interested in the POV drive, then I guess you could click off now. The rest of the video is just going to be me talking about the channel and or just other stuff. Alright, so if you're still here, that means you probably care about what I have to say, which is good because I have to say a lot. First off, the main one being that the success on the channel lately has blown me away. Absolutely just taken me for a loop. I've never expected to have so much like fans and so many successes on this platform, and so I just want to say really quick from the bottom of my heart, thank you guys so much. You guys mean the world to me. It's amazing. It's amazing. It really is. I can't put it into words how much it means to me. We're so close to 10,000 subscribers. By the time this video goes live, we might even be at 10,000 subscribers. I don't know. If we do, that would be freaking amazing, but if we don't, that's okay. I did say, and I keep my promise, that once we get to 10,000 subscribers, I'll make an ultimate budget car list of the top 50 best sports cars for under $10,000. We'll do that. We'll definitely do that. It's going to be in two parts. We're going to do the first 25 and then the second 25. We'll do it in two different parts. So I hope you guys are excited for that. I know I am. I cannot wait. Like 10K. Like that doesn't even sound real. 10K on YouTube. I have 10K on TikTok and I have 10K on Instagram. But for some reason on YouTube, it just means so much more to me. YouTube is just such a fun app, man. I love this app. I highly encourage you guys to start a YouTube channel and start uploading videos, no matter what it is. If you like gaming, if you like cars, if you like fashion, fitness, whatever it is people that are normal like to do. If you like that stuff, start a YouTube channel, man. It's so much fun. It's so much fun. And if you do good at it, and if you get enough fans, and if you keep going, you could make a living off of it one day. That's crazy. So just do YouTube, man. It's a blast. But yeah, it means the world to me, guys. But with that being said, I know a lot of people here are here because of my top 10 list or my budget car stuff. And while that is what I'm doing right now, the only reason why I'm doing that right now is because I don't have enough money or time to make videos that are like related around working on cars, like, you know, Adam LZ, TJ Hunt, Jimmy Oaks, all those guys do. But that's what I really want to do. So if you're here, just know that it's not always going to be just top 10s. We're going to change it up a little bit. It's not, so if I ever get successful, if I ever make it on this app and I can do it for a living, and I can buy a bunch of cars and stuff like that, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna be buying a bunch of different cars, and we're gonna have, you know, build series and stuff like that going on. And so I hope you guys are still here for that, but I understand if you're only here for the top 10s. It makes sense. In the meantime, I highly encourage you guys to leave me comments down below of video ideas that you guys want to see that I can do. Obviously, don't be like, oh, Mark, we would really like to see if you could buy a Bugatti in twin turbo it. I don't even know if the Bugatti comes, I think the Bugatti comes quad turboed. But yeah, don't say that. I mean, like, I can't do that. But like, if you want to see like a certain top 10 list, me talk about some car community matter or something like that, let me know. I'll get it done. I always need ideas, and if you could give me a good enough idea, I would love to make videos that you guys actually want to see. I know you guys like seeing the budget cars, and I'll keep doing those for some time being, but you know, it's always nice to change it up a bit. And I try to make only like 2 budget car videos a week, and then the rest be other things. Obviously on Sundays it's good, bad, and uglies, but then for the rest of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I like to do just random videos that I think are gonna, you guys will enjoy and are gonna do good. So please, for the love of God, let me know down below a video idea that you guys want to see, and we'll make it happen. It can be anything, man. It could be like how to build a car, you know. It could be like how to change your oil. I don't care. Whatever it is that you want to see, I'll do it. That I can do. If I can't do it, if I don't have enough money or enough time to do something that you're going to tell me to do, then obviously I'm not going to be able to do it. But if I can, if it's reasonable, I'll happily do what you guys want to see. But anyway, guys, that's going to be the end of today's video. Just a little bit of a POV drive, hard drive into Z. I didn't go as hard as I possibly could have. I almost just stalled there. But I didn't go as hard as I possibly could have, just because the car has a check engine light right now. It also has very skinny tires in the back and very wide tires in the front. And it's the middle of winter. I haven't driven it in a while, so I haven't checked the oil recently, stuff like that. I just didn't want to rage on it too hard today, just in case. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And das vidania. Have a nice night.